A sliding glass door, and most people see them, sometimes they're called a bypass door or slider or gliders, people call them a gliding door. But actually you've got two doors that move back and forth in the open in most cases.
It's a very common, you'll find them also on bathtubs as well as showers. It's more predicated by the size of the opening. If you have a very large opening, it's usually the best way to approach it as a sliding or bypass door.
Minimum opening that I can use a slider or a bypass door on would be 48 inches. The most common use for that door is on a tub. We do use a fair amount of those on showers as well, but the most common use would be on a tub. It's going to be 60 inches wide in a standard tub, and you can open the left side or the right side depending on what you were trying to do.
One excellent advantage of a sliding door is space saving. So again, if you've got a bathroom and you don't have a lot of space, usually you don't want the door, unlike a pivoting door which opens out, you want that door to stay confined within the base itself. So if you've got a small corner shower, or you've got what some people would call an alcove shower, a 60-inch wide by 30 or 32-inch deep space, the sliding door usually works well because you may not have the space for the door to open up. Another advantage to a sliding door over a pivoting door is that because it stays confined to the shower base area and the door doesn't open out, all of the water stays inside of that shower base. So you don't have to worry about water droplets get on the floor and then you got to go and clean them up. So that is a nice advantage to a sliding door.
A disadvantage is it's going to have tracks. You have more frame than the pivoting style doors, which just means there's a little bit more the way of maintenance and cleaning and things like that.
The track can get filled with soap and scum, which can be kind of difficult to clean up. Now with one of the lines of sliding doors that we have, which is kind of neat, a company called Fleurco, there is no track at the bottom, so even though they're sliding, there's at the bottom of the base, it's actually sloped a little bit, water comes off of there, comes right into the base, so you don't have to worry about cleaning out that track.
The Fleurco bypass door, they have a unique mechanism that allows the door itself to be hung on a rail with a track type of system. It's quite unique. It's all high quality stainless steel approach. In addition to that, they also make curved glass. So you can do a rounded front shower with a curved glass bypassing door, which is really unique to the industry. It's something that a lot of people are attracted to.
Now, the typical options that you're going to choose from when you choose a sliding door would be the glass. Again, depending on the manufacturer, you could have up to about 12 different options on the style of glass, being heavily obscured to clear, etched, rain, bamboo, many styles to choose from in the glass.
Now, in addition to the glass, there's also the framing system that comes in different finish options. It can go from a chrome, it can go to a brushed nickel, oil rub bronze. Those are probably the most popular, most used that are out there. And what people will often do when they're choosing the different framing systems is they're often going to match them up with the shower itself. So the shower head that's in there, or the drain that's in the base. So everything really looks unified inside of the space.